Good day and welcome to today's construction class. Alright, so for today we'll be considering the problem as displayed on the screen using Autodesk Inventor. Alright, so for me to produce the 3D view of this particular object, I am actually going to be viewing it from the front view, that is from this direction like this. Okay, I'm going to be viewing it from this direction, yeah, like this, from this direction. That's where I'm going to be actually viewing it from. Okay, so and for me to actually do that, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Inventor software, click on start to the sketch, pick any of the plane. So I'm going to go for the YZ plane. Okay, now looking at my dimension, the base, okay, 40 plus 40, that's 80, 80 plus 90, that's 170, and the thickness of the height is 20. So 170 by 20, I'm picking a rectangle, okay, from this origin here, from the origin here, height of 20, tab 170 in terms of width, tab. Okay, so I have this right here like this. Okay, I'm having this right here like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is looking at my problem once again, okay, like this. So I'm going to produce I have a diameter, okay, radius 40, that will be diameter 80 in that order. So somewhere here I'm having a circle of diameter 80, enter. So that diameter 80, I'm having diameter 60 and diameter 40 also countable. So 60, enter, the same midpoint, then 40, enter. So I'm going to pick my tangential constraint, tangent constraint. I'm going to click on this circle and this edge here to make them tangential to each other. Okay, now after that, the height from the top of the base to the midpoint of that circle is 50, as you can see. So distance from here to here is 50, as you can see right there. So I'm going to pick a line. I'm going to zip this area all together like that. Okay, I'm going to redraw it. I think there is an error somewhere there. So from here to here, I have that line there like that. So take note of that. Okay, so okay, along the line somewhere here, I'm having this somewhere here like this. Let me just draw it first. I'm going to put dimension there later. Okay, 40, height of 40 with my dimension. Distance from here to here is 40, 40. I'm pressing 40, sorry, that's going to be 40. This place is going to be 40 and the height is going to be 40. Okay, in that order. So after picking that, I think, yeah, I'm almost done. So from, okay, whoosh. So I think I won't include this now, sorry, that's an oversight from my part. I won't include this now. So I'm going to actually draw this. So I use Ctrl Z. Yeah, Ctrl Z is what I used over there. Okay, so distance from here to here is 30, enter. Then with my tangential constraint, I click on this circle and this line like that. Can you see that? So what else can I still infuse into this? Okay, nothing and nothing. So then the next thing I think is to finish my sketch. Finishing my sketch, I'm going to pick extrude to this depth here, which is what, 90. I'm going for the base first of all. Extrude this base to 90. Okay, then with my plus. Alright, so I think I failed to add a particular line there. So I'm going to double click on my sketch one. On my sketch one, after double clicking, I'm going to pick a line. Yeah, I'm going to draw this line from here all the way down here. I need to have included this earlier on. That's an oversight. So with my tangential constraint, this circle and this line tangential to each other, so I can finish my sketch. So with my extrude now, I'm going to extrude this to a distance of 40. Okay, like that. Plus, okay, then that one countable depth of 10. So I'm going to extrude this to a distance of 30. Okay, plus then I'm going to extrude this to a distance of 15. All right, then what? Okay. All right, in that order, like that. Yeah, we are getting somewhere. So I'm going to use my chamfer at a distance of 30. I'm going to chamfer this area like this, then what? Okay. So after doing that, what else for me? What else? Okay, I think we are almost done. So let me hide those dimensions. Clicking on this surface at the plan, I'm going to create a sketch. Now creating that sketch, I'm having that all of that semicircle of radius 30. Yeah, I think it's sitting at, okay, radius 30. That will be diameter 60. Diameter 60. Enter. And the distance from this edge to the middle of this circle is 40. Enter. Okay, I'm going to pick my trim and trim this area off like this. So after that has been done, I'm going to pick a rectangle like this. I just create a rectangle here like this. First of all, dimension is going to be, okay, 40 by 40. With my dimension, this is going to be 40, while this also is going to be 40, and the distance from this edge to here is going to be 40 also. So I think with that, I'm going to finish my sketch. Finishing my sketch, I'm going to click on extrude. I'm going to extrude this. I'm going to press through all, then I'm going to click on cut. I have that. Okay, then I'm going to pick this. Okay, with my extrude once again, sorry, I'm going to share my sketch 2. I'm going to right click, I'm going to click on share sketch. Okay, with extrude once again, clicking on this at height of 40, then what? Okay. So I'm going to pick my fillet of 40, then I'm going to stand right here and click this, then okay, on that edge. So I can now hide the visibility, and look at this. Now we have that object as displayed on the screen. Cheap like plantain chips, easy as ABC, using Autodesk Inventor. Alright, once again, my name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Maekll. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer to your friends who might be in need of it.